Personally, I use credit card, no, kapag nagta-transact ako. Una is yung dahil sa reward points, no. Pangalawa is because of its security. Halimbawa, meron kang napaggastusan or nadobleng gamit yung credit card mo. Ang mababawasan kasi is yung credit mo lang, hindi yung mismong cash mo, kumbaga, no. Tapos pwede mo itawag yun sa credit card company to adjust yun, no. Hindi madadamage yung cash mo. Disclaimer lang, dapat discipline ka sa sarili mo, no. Ginagamit mo lang yung credit card for the purpose of points, for the purpose of rewards, for the purpose of security. Before due date, dapat bayaran mo siya in full, not minimum. Kasi meron doon kapag dumating yung credit card bill mo, yung full outstanding balance mo, tapos meron doon minimum balance, no. Yung iba ginagawa is minimum balance lang, no, kasi parang hindi sila na-obliga na nabayaran yung credit card nila in full. So always pay it in full, and you just use credit card for the sake of security.